Welcome to my 2 minutes class. My name is Fikaram. Today I'm going to take you through how to burn dark spot. Okay. All you don't need to do, first thing first, you go to your Retouch Academy. You go to Dodge because you are going for the dark side. You are brightening this dark side. So you go to Dodge. From your Dodge, you go to your brush, then your brush size, your hardness should be 0 and your softness, then you come. So now you don't need to kill yourself over the flow and opacity because here you can still reduce it here, so that's why I put on there. So let's go there. Okay, you can reduce your flow, reduce it. Okay, let's say 35. Skin, need to say. Okay, see the shade is too dark, so careful. You can still reduce this. If it's too much, let's go. You can come here, come here. You see it is blended. Eh? It's blended. That's how we do the burning. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.